Okay, so this week I am in Canada. I'm actually visiting Niagara Falls. You want to take a look? Ain't that pretty? So, on this week's episode of The Archive, I'm actually talking about things like marketing science. And the reason that I'm talking about it is mostly because of my own experience using this platform to be able to get my videos out there. And even if you have the best content, is that the best way to get people to actually watch and click on it? I had no experience in this, so this week I kind of focused on the science of what catches your eyeballs. Because here in Canada, if you've been to Niagara Falls on the Canada side, there's a difference between the Canadian side of Niagara Falls and the American side of Niagara Falls. And I'm not saying one is better than the other, but I've just noticed from a marketing standpoint and looking at this week's episode on the archive, there seems to be a lot more marketing on this side of Canada, which I actually didn't expect. So as you're walking through the streets on the Canadian side of the Niagara Falls, you notice a lot of eye-catching signs. You notice a lot of colors. You notice a lot of entertainment factor that goes into it. And that was surprising because I thought as Americans, that's typically what you see is ads everywhere. That's kind of how it happens. So on this week's episode of The Archive, that's one of the things that I explore is what does it take to capture your attention? What are some of the tactics that they're using to get you to click? What kind of science research are they using as well to be able to get you to stay?